Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your great support in this challenging situation. So your Rice Person's team really very thankful to all of you. And today I have selected some exclusive, trendy and smart, elegant collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful exclusive collections, very nice, and all collections are very exclusive one. This one pure handloom hand weaving work muslin, pure muslin, premium quality, pure muslin base. This one pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving design work. This portion is border portions, fully hand weaving design, and full base part is pure premium quality muslin silk with beautiful silver zari weaving buta design and fully hand weaving work, and very beautiful one, lightweight, comfortable, transparent, pure muslin silk. And this one contrast white threaded weaving design work border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, silver zari buta. And this one pallu portions, very lightweight, only 300 gram weight. And this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving design work pallu, pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful fine weaving design. This portion is border portions, full base part is buta, hand weaving buta, silver zari. And this one full base part, very elegant color combinations and fully hand weaving design, pure muslin, transparent, lightweight, only 300 gram weight. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding exclusive looks. And this one also same material, different color, only very beautiful color combinations. Same material, pure muslin silk, premium quality muslin silk with beautiful weaving buta work all over. And this one is border portions, fully fine hand weaving smart design work border. This portion is border design, very nice trendy looks. And this one pallu portions, same weaving pattern design pallu. This portion is pallu, and full base part is pure muslin silk, transparent with silver zari weaving buta design, fully hand weaving work. And this one beautiful pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, lightweight, and pure muslin silk, like only 300 gram weight. And this one full base part, and this one is border portions, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silver zari weaving brocade work, silk base, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very elegant color combinations, very beautiful one, same material, different color, only same work also. Premium quality muslin silk, pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving design, very smart trendy looks, different color, same material, same pattern, same work. This one beautiful fine weaving border design, and full base part is silver zari weaving buta design, pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving smart design border. This one full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful weaving design, smart pattern weaving design work pallu, very nice one, smart, trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy and outstanding looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different color combinations, very nice color. This one is pure muslin with smart weaving work border and pallu. This one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, and this one is fully silver zari weaving buta design. And this one border portions, fine hand weaving border work design. And this one is full base part, pure muslin, transparent, and full base part is weaving buta design, and this portion is border. And this one pallu portions, very fine hand weaving design work pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. lightweight, only 300 gram weight, and I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding exclusive looks. And this one also in a very nice color combinations, matka with ikat design, very nice looks, you know, and zari border, 1 inch highlighted border, and full base part is matka base with beautiful fine texture pattern weaving design stripes with beautiful ikat border. And this one is border portions, zari border, 1 inch highlighted border with ikat design, and this one is full base part matka base, pure handloom matka with ikat design, very nice trendy looks. Same material today I have draped, different color only. This one is running blouse piece, and so full base part is same pattern. This portion is border, and this one, you know, pallu portions pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving, golden zari weaving buta design. Pallu, this portion is pure resham silk, pallu and beautiful hand weaving buta, and this one, you know, full base part is matka ikat. Very nice, looks outstanding. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, best for your festive wear, function wear, very nice one. Same material, same pattern, different color, very nice color combinations, you know, pure matka. Same material today I have draped, different color, 1 inch highlighted border, and beautiful texture pattern weaving design with ikat, very exclusive combinations. This one, you know, full base part pure handloom matka base, self weaving stripes design, full base part, and ikat border highlighted, very trendy and elegant looks, pure handloom matka texture pattern stripes with ikat design, very exclusive combinations. And this one, you know, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving buta design by golden zari and fully handloom hand weaving process. And this one, you know, full base part matka ikat, and this one, you know, full base part, very nice looks, fresh bright one. Same material, same design pattern today I have taped. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, this one is border portion, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, you know, pure resham Banarasi, nice looks. Let me open, and very nice color combinations also. Pure resham silk with silver zari hand weaving Banarasi work, very nice one, you know. This one is full base part, transparent lightweight pure resham silk. This one is border portions, fully fine silver zari hand weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is beautiful silver zari weaving buta design, pure resham silk transparent. And this one, you know, full base part, this one is running blouse piece with border work, and this one, you know, pallu portions, very nice one. This one is pallu portions, fully Banarasi weaving stripes with beautiful buta design, very nice looks. This one, you know, full base part, and soft, comfortable, lightweight, transparent with Banarasi work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. A very beautiful one, muslin Banarasi yellow base, fresh yellow with silver zari weaving Banarasi work and fully hand weaving design, fresh bright looks. Transparent material, pure muslin silk with silver zari weaving Banarasi work. This one, you know, full border portions, fine silver zari weaving design border, and this one is full base part, fully silver zari weaving buta design, fully hand weaving work. This one, you know, full base part, pure muslin silk Banarasi work, very trendy looks, fresh bright one, bright yellow shade. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very nice looks. This one is pallu part, very beautiful one, fully silver zari Banarasi weaving work border and beautiful butta design. This portion is pallu portions, transparent pure muslin, soft, comfortable, lightweight, only 300 gram weight. And this one, border portions, fully silver zari weaving Banarasi work, pure muslin Banarasi. And I will suggest this silk material weaving Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this zari for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one. And this one, very bright, fresh looks, traditional and elegant looks, pure matka base, hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful, heavy weaving design jamdani work. Base part is pure handloom matka, golden zari border, and full base part is all over jamdani work. Very nice looks. This portion is beautiful. Hand weaving colorful jamdani work, matka base. This one is full base, and this one, running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part, pure resham silk with beautiful heavy hand weaving jamdani work. Pallu, this portion is pallu, and pallu end is golden zari fine stripes, and this portion is beautiful hand weaving jamdani heavy work pallu, and all over base part matka with jamdani work and fully hand weaving design. Very nice, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, elegant, traditional looks. In a very beautiful one, bright looks, bright blue shade matka base, pure handloom matka with jamdani work. Very nice combinations. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari border, and full border portions hand weaving jamdani work, and full base part is beautiful weaving polka design by golden zari. And this one is muslin base with pallu portions, pallu end muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Pallu and pallu end is sequence design, stripes design. Very trendy and smart and elegant looks. This one, full base part, this one is highlighted border jamdani work, base part is all over weaving polka design by golden zari. And this one, full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. Very trendy and fresh, bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric checks with border work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, in your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, same material matka base, pure handloom matka silk weaving stripes pattern, ikat border, highlighted 1-inch golden zari border with ikat design. Very nice looks, matka with ikat. And this one, pure resham pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani butak by golden zari. Very smart and elegant looks. Very nice one, bright fresh one. And this one is matka ikat, beautiful one, beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.